Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 5 simple yet powerful weight loss tips to help you on your journey toward a healthier, happier you. Let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with our first tip: portion control. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage your diet and ensure you're not overeating. We've all been there, dishing up what seems like a reasonable amount of food, only to realize later that we've overdone it. It's easy to get carried away, especially when the food looks so good. But here's the thing, you don't have to deprive yourself. Portion control is not about eating less, but about eating smart. It's about finding that sweet spot, the perfect amount that nourishes your body without making you feel stuffed or guilty. One of my favorite tricks is to use smaller plates. It sounds simple, but trust me, it works. When you use a smaller plate, your brain is tricked into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. This visual trick can help you feel more satisfied with less food. Plus, it encourages you to focus on the quality of your meal rather than the quantity. When you use a smaller plate, your brain is tricked into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. This can be especially helpful during holidays or special occasions when it's easy to overindulge. Plus, it helps you create a balanced meal with appropriate portions of veggies, protein, and carbs. This way, you're not just eating less, but eating better. Focus on fueling your body with delicious, nutritious food in portions that leave you feeling satisfied and energized. Remember, it's not about restriction, but about balance and mindfulness. By practicing portion control, you can enjoy all your favorite foods without the guilt and maintain a healthy, balanced diet that supports your overall well-being. Let's move on to our next tip: hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and weight management. Sometimes when you feel hunger pangs, your body is actually just thirsty. Sip on water throughout the day. Keeping a reusable water bottle with you is a great reminder to stay hydrated on the go. Water helps boost your metabolism and flush out toxins. Aim for at least 8 cups a day, and if you're active, drink even more. Trust me, your body will thank you. Tip number 3, protein power. Fuel your body the right way. Protein helps you feel fuller longer, reducing unhealthy snacking. Think of protein as your secret weapon against energy slumps and cravings. Include protein in every meal for a steady stream of energy. Protein comes in many forms: meat, beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa. Get creative. Add chickpeas to your salad, swap regular yogurt for Greek yogurt, or snack on almonds. Tip number 4, meal prep like a boss. This is your ultimate guide to making your week smoother and healthier. Set yourself up for success. By planning ahead, you can ensure you always have nutritious meals ready to go. Life gets busy, and healthy eating can fall by the wayside. But with meal prepping, you can avoid the stress of last-minute cooking. Meal prepping is a game changer. It allows you to control your portions, save money, and eat healthier. Set aside time each week to plan and prepare meals in advance. This small investment of time pays off big throughout the week. Imagine this. It's the end of a long day, and you have a nutritious meal ready in the fridge. No more scrambling for dinner ideas. Sunday is my go-to day for meal prepping. It sets the tone for a productive and healthy week ahead. I put on some music and get creative in the kitchen. It makes the process enjoyable and something to look forward to. It's a great way to stay organized, save time, and avoid unhealthy takeout. Plus, it can be a fun activity to do with family or friends. Set yourself up for success with meal prepping. You'll thank yourself later when you see the benefits in your health and lifestyle. Tip number 5, get moving. It's essential to keep your body active and engaged. Your body is meant to move. Embrace the joy of physical activity and make it a part of your daily life. Movement doesn't have to be intimidating or time-consuming. Even small actions can have a big impact on your overall well-being. Your body craves movement and thrives on it. Start your day with a simple stretch or a brisk walk to energize yourself. Even small bursts of activity throughout the day make a difference. Every little bit counts. Take the stairs, park farther away, and seize every opportunity to move or dance around your living room. Turn up the music and let loose, enjoying the freedom of movement. Find activities you enjoy and make them part of your daily routine. Whether it's biking, gardening, or any other hobby, keep moving. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement most days of the week. Consistency is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether it's a walk in nature, a dance class, or any other form of exercise, find what you love. or a quick workout at home, make it enjoyable and sustainable. Find what feels good for your body. Make movement a habit and enjoy the benefits of an active lifestyle. That's a wrap. Those are my top 5 weight loss tips you can start today. Remember, small changes lead to big results, so take it one step at a time. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.